Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Micaiah, also known as MB. So today I'm back with another Trader Joe's vegan grocery haul. This is a little bit different in the sense that I am gonna start doing a raw vegan diet. So I know every time that I go vegan, I usually do some type of detox first. So this is gonna help me in like my detox. I'm gonna do it for 30 days. So I made sure that I went to Trader Joe's and I was able to get all the things that I could get to help cater to this raw vegan diet. So I'm excited to show you guys what I have. I'll talk about some of the things I'm gonna use for certain recipes. Let's see, it only costs about $91.15, which I know for some people they might be like, well, that's a lot, but think about all the stuff that I have in front of me and all the stuff I'm gonna show you guys. Really getting those fresh veggies and fruits and not that processed meat. Like I got a lot of stuff for $91 and I still was able to keep it under 100. So I'm super excited about that and I'm ready to show you guys the haul. Make sure you continue to support the channel by liking and subscribing and hit that bell if you don't want to miss out on future videos. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with the haul. I always get hungry when I shoot these hauls for you guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'll start from back and then we'll go to front. So I did get some organic Turkish dried figs. This is really just gonna help me to keep certain things like sweet. So I'll put this in maybe some overnight oats. You can actually put, I don't know if anybody's done that. Well, if a lot of people do this, Mom used to put dried figs on like pizzas, like would cut them up and put it on her pizzas. It's actually pretty good, so don't knock it till you try it. I did get two types of nuts. So I got the raw pecan pieces, which I'm actually gonna use to try out Tabitha Brown's raw vegan tacos. Super excited to try out that recipe. I know a lot of people that like it, so I'm gonna use those to try that out. And I did get some raw sunflower seeds. I have to have crunch on my salads, so I'm definitely gonna use it for that. There's also some other recipes that I'm gonna try with the raw sunflowers. I did get 2 things of celery. I'm definitely gonna need more. I am gonna start doing celery juice in the morning, so that's why I got that. And then maybe if I wanna do a, a chicken salad with some chickpeas or something of that nature, I can put the celery in that as well. Cauliflower. I got cauliflower and edamame. I'm definitely gonna do like a cauliflower fried, well not fried, but cauliflower like rice and use the edamame for that. I did get zucchini squash. I want to use this to do like zucchini noodles, but I don't actually have the like thing that you need to turn it into, I forget what it's called, like the zucchini slicer, I guess, in a sense. I need to get one of those, so I'll probably be going on Amazon to get that. I got the green cabbage. I'm definitely gonna have some coleslaw and use this in other dishes, could just make a quick salad. Basil. I got the basil because I'm gonna probably make some, what is it called? With the tomatoes. I'm probably gonna make some, what is that called? Oh, it's gonna bother me for the rest of the video. I'll come back to it. And then I got some jalapenos, of course, for those raw vegan tacos and then any other spicy dishes I wanna do. These oranges, Sky Valley Heirloom Navel Oranges, are literally my favorite oranges from Trader Joe's. I went today, not sure if I was gonna see them. I knew they were back in season, but I was so excited when I saw them at Trader Joe's because they are seasonal, like I said. So they have them back. They're my favorite oranges that they actually sell, and they're the big size oranges. So. Apples, I just got some regular apples. These are Midwest apples from Trader Joe's. Just got a bag. They're actually gala apples. So yeah, and they're from Michigan. Avocados, I love avocados. I can eat it on anything, put it in any dish. So we definitely had to get some of those. Bananas, of course. Roma tomatoes. What was I gonna make with the basil and the Roma tomatoes? Ugh, it's bothering me. I did get some just mango slices. I did only get the dried fruit and it's just mango. Like there's nothing else. I got the unsulfured and unsweetened, so there wasn't any other byproducts like it says on the back. It is, where is it at? Where are you on the back? Oh, here it is. Dried mango. It's just dried mango. And then I got some strawberries. I got some sliced white mushrooms. Be using that for different dishes. Okay, on to the frozen stuff. I did get some, thought these were Aki berry puree, but it's not. But I mean, I'll try it out. So I got these. I'm gonna make some juice bowls with this. I don't know if this is new or not, but yeah, I'll try it out. I got some dark sweet cherries, some wild berries, and then strawberries for my smoothies, of course. Did get some chili and lime seasoning, some coconut aminos, raw almond butter, and this is my favorite vegetable soup ever. Their garden vegetable soup. Like, I can literally just eat this thing cold or drink it or whatever cold. Then I got some miso ginger broth, bananas, green bell peppers, and then this tri-blend of bell peppers. So I'll definitely be using all of this. So yeah, like I said, I got a lot of stuff for under $100. Like, I promise you, I could stretch this out. I could probably stretch this out for a month. I'm probably not going to, because I have 2 people in my household, me and my husband, but if I wanted to, I could definitely stretch this out for a whole month. What is that? Like, it's gonna bother me so much. Okay, the Roma tomatoes and the basil. Think, Micaiah, think. Hey, Alexa, what's a good recipe with tomatoes and basil?
Okay, for tomatoes, basil, here's a few recipes.
Bruschetta. That's what I was trying to get out. I'm gonna do some type of bruschetta. Sorry it took me so long, you guys. But that's what I'm gonna do with that. Also, shout out to Trader Joe's for now giving us reusable bags without having to buy them. I have a ton of reusable bags. I used to collect them by city, but yeah, shout out to them and getting rid of those paper bags and now giving us these reusable bags. So yeah, you guys, that was my whole haul. Like I said, it was a lot of products that I feel like I got for under $100. I'm really gonna try to stretch this out and see how far I go. Like I said, I'm gonna do raw vegan for the 30 days. If you want to see what I'm eating daily, going over to follow my Instagram page, which is just I'm just MB all together. I am just JUSTMB. Going over there, follow me. Make sure you're checking out my story because I'm gonna be sharing all of the recipes that I make with this haul. Until next time, I'll have another video up for you guys with another different vegan haul within the next 2 weeks. Make sure that you don't forget to subscribe, follow, and like this video. I definitely want to continue to produce vegan hauls and Trader Joe's hauls for you, and I'll see you guys next time.